Welcome back to another video, and actually this is not a single video. It's a series of videos that will simply cover a very interesting topic, which is how to use Mailchimp for email marketing. So in this video series, what I'm going to show you, actually let me show you the outlines of this whole series. First of all, I will let you know the building an audience. So it means how to use Mailchimp to build an audience through email marketing. It will cover lead generation, e-commerce integration, blog subscription, landing page creation. And next segment will cover designing emails and newsletters, and the segments will come up with email designing modules. If you are new to Mailchimp, then you will notice that there are two types of modules, the old one and the new one. Then I will show you, I will design an email from the very scratch so that you can understand how to edit the text, images, and add links, social medias, and the best practices of designing an email. Next one is very important, managing the files. File management, that means if you want to give away any free ebook or PDF or anything, so how could you do that? How to manage the files and what are the files available on Mailchimp. Next one is landing page creation. On this previous section, as you can see, that landing page creation is also added, but here in this section, designing an email and newsletter, I will explain what are the key components of a landing page should have or should contain, so that you can have a better conversion out of your traffics. Next one is finalizing or customizing a sign-up forms. So basically on our website we are going to use some sign-up forms using Mailchimp email sign-up system. There are several sign-up formats on Mailchimp: embedded forms, pop-up forms, contact forms, and also custom forms based on any e-commerce platform. So I will let you know how to customize a Mailchimp sign-up form so that you can use Mailchimp sign-up forms for your email marketing purpose. Next, I will let you know marketing campaigns. So what are the available marketing campaigns on Mailchimp so that you can promote and market your items, products or services. So here I will let you know welcome email automation, e-commerce email automations, especially abandoned cart email, and the series emails for product retargeting, product remarketing, and also win back emails on Mailchimp. So, and next one, as you can see, that auto blog broadcast emails will be I will be discussing about. So basically these 17 videos will be pretty much useful for your email marketing purpose. So before moving forward, please subscribe and activate the all notifications so that you can be notified each and every single video whenever I'm going to publish on this video. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and stay subscribing.